Hello, my name's Heather and I'm from Southroom, and today I'm going to read you a book called Snore, and it's written by Rosen and Jonathan Langley, and it says A Noisy Night for Dozy Dog. Snore. All was quiet on the farm. Dog was asleep, cat was asleep, cow was asleep. Sheep was asleep, pig was asleep, and so were all the piglets. All was so peaceful until snore. Dog's snoring. And cat woke up, cow woke up, sheep woke up, pig woke up, and so did all the piglets. Snore. It was so loud no one could sleep. Not cat, not cow, or sheep, or pig, or all the piglets. Snore. How can we get dog to stop snoring so we can all get back to sleep, said cat. I know, said cow. And cow went right up to dog and went, "Achoo!" right down his ear. Snore. Dog carried on sleeping. I know, said sheep, and sheep went up to dog and went, "Boo!" right down his ear. Snore. Dog carried on sleeping. I know, said pig. A pig went up to dog and went, "Hee hee hee!" right down his ear, and all the piglets went, "Hee hee hee hee!" Snore. Didn't wake up. I know, said cat. Why don't we sing to him? Maybe that'll stop him snoring and we can all go back to sleep. So cat went, purr, snore. And cow went, moo, snore. And sheep went, baa, snore. And pig went, oink. And all the piglets went, grunt, 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 grunt. But snore. Dog just carried on sleeping. Then, as the sun rose up over the trees, Rooster woke up with a cock-a-doodle-doo, and Dog woke up with a hoof, and off he trotted down the road after his good night's sleep. But cat and cow and sheep and pig and all the piglets were so tired, they fell asleep. Snore, 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 snore. All the animals were asleep. So Dog went off to chase the ducks, while all the animals had a sleep. And that's the end. Bye.